Shots in arms, shots in arms, shots in arms. If we chanted that 3 times, we would get there, right? Well, if it was that simple, Hennepin County wouldn't have had to be so creative.
For your first shot, you'll receive a $50 gift card. For your second shot, you'll receive another $50 gift card, so $100 total.
$100 worth of Visa gift cards, which are basically as good as cash. That incentive, brainchild of Hennepin County District 6 Commissioner Chris Latondres.
When did you guys start offering this incentive?
The first round of our vaccine incentive program started in early July with a $100,000 allocation. We bought a bunch of gift cards. We invited community-based organizations to apply for these grants. And within a couple of weeks, the demand was so high that we went through all of those. So just yesterday, the Hennepin County Board approved an additional $250,000 to grow and expand this program to make sure that we can reach more residents, increase trust, and reduce disparities.
$350,000 from President Joe Biden's American Rescue Plan Act that the county received have gone into this effort. Latondres says, sure, the cash went into buying the gift cards, but it also went into incentivizing community organizations like the food shelf we sat in to organize immunization events and apply for grant money of $3,000. Why? Because community places like these have familiar faces.
If these challenging times have proven anything, it's that we need good government more than we've ever needed it before. But government can't do it alone. And that's why partnerships with trusted community organizations, small businesses, congregations has been front and center in our vaccination efforts. The trust that a local organization like ICA Food Shelf has with residents can never be replaced or replicated by a government agency.
And if Hennepin County was a student in Professor April Eichmeyer's strategic communications class,
Those conversations are simply going to have to take time.
it would get an A+ because
Trust is really the key currency here. It's hard to understand the raw data about vaccines. So we all have some vulnerability, and we give our vulnerability to the people that we trust. And that's not always scientists. I have a question about something. Talking to someone who's been through this is a way that I can self-educate and help calm my fears. What kind of messaging at this point can the government put out to even get those folks to maybe sway a little? I think that the priorities should be on engaging the trusted community members. Anything coming from the CDC for people who've already made up their minds, that's not going to resonate. It's simply not going to resonate. And so the key is really interpersonal interaction.
It's groups like ICA, it's groups like all of the other community vaccination events that we've done across Hennepin County that really know how to meet residents where they're at, in their fears, in their doubts, understanding their needs. And we just want to help be a facilitator to help empower them to serve their residents.